In the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.